Okay, see if we can get you up there. Oh, I hope you guys got your copy. Dang, that's gonna leave a mark. Hey, here comes the trailer build.
Well, yeah, I'm glad I'm working in the shop. That's for sure. It's a naughty looking day today. Oh, okay. We ain't gonna do nothing out there now, are we? But what we are doing is this. We're trying to get this straightened out. Oh, more catastrophe yesterday. That piece of nice flat metal I had up there, I was banging on the other side, getting her straightened out. And what happens? Well, she fell off. And she hit my wife's car. So she was not happy about that. So, oh my gosh. This is getting to be a nightmare of a project. One thing I have decided, you can see the snow out there? She's a-blowing. One thing I've decided is I ain't gonna do another big project like that. I think I'm 74 years old. I'm getting too old to be doing this stuff, especially with one arm. I did get my MRI done, just waiting on the results. It doesn't look good. Let's just hope for the best. Anyway, good morning, everybody. I'm trying to decide if I want to cut it there or there. This piece is going to be ripped off. This is the front piece. And then that, what's left of that will go on the door. And then we got, like I said, we got the piece cut for up there. So that's what we're going to do today. Tomorrow, Spanky's going to come over and help me hang up a couple pieces maybe, or at least one piece. Oh, man. Not looking forward to what I'm afraid we're going to have to do with my shoulder. Damn. I know one thing. I was going to build that building out there by myself, that 16 by 28 building. Nope. Not going to do that. All right, let's get on this. I'll show you what I'll show you a little more a little later. I got to give a big shout out to Spanky for my Christmas present, Makita tools, and then Vicky got me a pair of shears. That'll make things handy. Okay, let's see how this thing works. First time trying it. I've never used one. But if you don't try it, how you gonna know? Let's see if we can get that down through there without screwing up too much. We're gonna just put her right on this line, like so, and go. Well, pretty easy. I don't know if it could be much easier than that. Cutting it nice and clean. Probably cordless would have been nice, but thank you, Vicky, anyway. I like it. Oh, you don't gotta push much at all. But I'm running out of arm there. Let's come over here and finish it off. If I got enough cord. Now then, we got to cut on the same side, or we're going to not make it. That should do it right there. Oh man, you can go slow as you want, which is good.
Well, it beats using the old death wheel. I always worry about that thing coming up and hitting me in the eye or something with my luck. But here we go. That's what it did. Now then, can I use this for nothing? No, it's going in the trash. Okay, anyway, that cut it. I like it. And no sharp edges. A little bit. I mean, you could get cut on that, so I'll probably run a file over it. Anyway, that's that part. Gonna stab this on the front and go from there. I'll tell you what. If I was to build this again, it'd be totally different. Anyway, I'll show you sometime. I'm done for today. Finally got a piece on here that's square, because I made that frame square. Oh, nah, never do it that way, guys. No, well, first off, I should have just squared up, done something to square up that damn trailer, because I tried to do it, didn't succeed. So this is, it's riveted down there, and I went ahead and put in the sealant down there in the bottom too. And so that's all riveted. And this is how I'm doing holding the back of it so I can drill through it to put the rivets in it without bothering Vicky. With two people, I mean, it'd be slick, but that's okay. She helps me when she can. And so anyway, that piece of 2x4 has come in handy. I'll move it. I got holes drilled already, but I'm done for the day. Yeah, I'm tired and hurt a little. Tomorrow, we'll put the rivets in there. I'll move the board over here, and we'll do the same thing there. Then we got the strip right in the middle here, somewhere. I don't think you can see it, but there's a strip that goes across right about 2 foot up, right about there, right there. Where's my fingers? Right about there. 2 foot up. There's another one that goes across. I will rivet that one down. The sides will be riveted, and then the top will be drilled, but not riveted, because we got to put that piece goes up on top, like I've said. Now then, all these bolts and nuts that I put in here will come out, so I can fold that around there and give that a nice seal. Hopefully that works. It hasn't worked anywhere else. But what it is what it is. Man, that's terrible looking, isn't it? Even looks worse it looks worse in the camera than it does in real life. But I got an idea how to fix that. I might have to wait till I got 2 arms, because this is a lot of work with 1 arm. Hopefully this is filming. I just noticed it may not be. If so, I'll put more on tomorrow, which is my birthday. And Spanky's coming over to help me put that piece up, so I'll have it cut and ready to go. Whew, yeah. Well, it is the next day, just like I said, and the front piece is on. And this is the way it's supposed to look. Not like that. But, like I said, I think I got something figured out on that. This is the way she's supposed to be looking on the seams. No water can penetrate in there. It will be seam sealed on the inside there. Now I got to put that piece up there, lap it over. It's already cut. I'm just waiting for Spanky. He's going to come over and help me. We're going to stick that up there. And like I said, today is my birthday, so that's all we're going to do. I'm just going to hang it up there and then work on it maybe tomorrow, which would be Sunday, because I got to go see the surgeon on hopefully Monday. We'll see when they can get me in. Man, that's a mess, but I got an idea how I can hide it. I got to put some lipstick on this old pig. Yeah, I think it'll be okay. So anyway, that's that. I'll maybe show you when I get that the other piece put up there, and then we'll call that the end of this video. Let's get back to it. Well, there you go. I didn't wait for Spanky. Believe it or not, I put that up there with one arm. What? Was it easy? Heck no. Am I a quitter? Y'all know I ain't no quitter. Still got a lot of rivets to put in that piece. It's going to work fine. It's lapping over right there. Like you can see that perfect. It's perfectly square because this part was square. Anyway, yeah. What I'm going to do there is the license plates you guys are giving me are going to cover that. But I'm also going to do something else. Also, you'll see that because I think that's going to look really cool with all license plates right there, then red, white, and blue stripes headed that way. Hi, hon. Just getting ready to come in. She's out here checking. Boy, she's checking on me a lot anymore. And she yells at me. She doesn't know what I just did. Anyway, what we're doing here, trying to figure out if I got enough for that door, and I don't. I am short a couple inches. This one's too short this way, and they're all too short that way. So I got to figure that out. No big deal. If I had to make that out of wood, it wouldn't hurt my feelings. But I got the metal. Might as well do it. So we're going to end that video right here, right now. Did I tell you that thing fell off the top? It's all bent up now too. Man, one of the things I would not never do again is try to wrap that stuff around there, and I would not use that thin a gauge. That was my problem. The main problem. I could have made everything work if I wasn't trying to wrap it up like a cocoon. But there you go. That's what she's looking like inside, pretty much. Pretty much. This is the way it's going to be. I don't plan on doing anything else in here. I'm going to put a floor in it so it's kind of rain can't get up through here traveling down the road. Got to seal all the cracks up there yet. Seal them, and I still got to put the bolt, slide this back up and put all the rivets in it. It's all ready to go. I'm going to find a little friend of mine that's made more dainty than I am, and she's going to hop up on there and do the middle ones. I can do the side rivets from the side, but I can't crawl around. Not on one arm and one knee. Anyway, that's it. I'll put some more rivets in, show some more in another video. And then once they call me in for the surgery, I don't know how long I'll be laid up, but I know Vicky is not going to let me come back out here and work on this until the doctor gives me the okay. She's a good woman, I'll tell you. She takes care of me. Anyway, just, subscribe if you want to see the rest of these, and they are on a playlist. Hope you enjoyed that little video right there. Hey, if you subscribe to my channel, you'll get a notification on all these videos coming up, and there's a lot of them. Hey, also, if you want to help out this channel a little bit, you can subscribe to the Patreon channel. You get all the videos way earlier, plus there's a lot of bonus videos on there from all years back. Thanks for watching.